Right now, I'd like to talk about one of the new features in 4.13, which is the ability to flag items and the custom flag creation capability. Right now, we're looking at the findings table here, and we can see that we actually have some items that have been flagged already. If I hover over one of these items here, I can actually see who flagged this and when it was flagged. The same for this one down here. So how would we flag an item? So imagine I was interested in this, say this particular entry here, real-time malware protection was disabled. If I right click on this item, I get some options here with the right click, including the ability to add this particular item to an existing flag. A bookmark, by the way, is just another flag within the Investigation Hub. And these ones underneath are user-generated flags that we've created for this particular case. But imagine I needed to create a new flag. This is something new, this real-time malware issue. So I could come in here and I could give this flag a name. So let's, if I just call this one real-time example. And I could give it a more meaningful description if needed. In this case, I'm just going to paste in what I've written above by copying that, drop that in there, and I'm just going to put test at the end so I know what I'm talking about. Then I can choose one of these colors. At the moment, there's some 11 colors here, I think. Maybe we'll have some more in the future, but if I give this one this sort of turquoise color, click OK, I can see with the message that's popped up telling me that the flag was successfully created. I can see that that is over here on the right-hand side, left-hand side right now, that flag has indeed been successfully created. Maybe I wanted to add more to that, so I've decided that actually what I'm going to do is search in this particular column. If I search for the word real and see if there are any more examples, what I could now do is come down and select all of those real-time malware items, say there's just these top 3, for instance. And what you would have noticed, as we had before in the Investigation Hub, a selection of more than one item in the Investigation Hub results in the bulk action bar appearing on the screen. And down here towards the bottom of the screen, I can see that I have 3 rows selected. And I can choose to add a flag in bulk here. So this could be 3 or 3,000 items. And I'm now going to add the flag to them. And because I've created a flag already, I can actually go and use any one of the flags that we've created. And if I just select this one here, I'm going to add those to that particular flag. Or I could have made a new custom content if I wanted to. But I've added them to the existing flag. One of the things to note with flags is if we come over to our libraries in the main menu here, we have for this particular case a custom flag set in our library now. So if I select on the flag set itself, I can see all of those, the flags that were available from my right-click option. They're actually here now. So I can come in here and create new flags from this action button on this page. Or I can actually come in here and I can perform some actions on the flags that have been created. So I can edit them and I can delete them. But I can only delete if I have the relevant privileges for case management. And those privileges need to be in place for anyone to do have the ability to delete from the custom flag set.